Hello dear students. Today in our English grammar class we will learn pronouns. We, us, he, I, she. What are these words? All these words are pronoun. So first of all the question arises, what is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that is used at the place of a noun. Yes, we use pronoun in the place of noun. See the example. Jia went for a walk, and in the second sentence I used she went for a walk. In the second sentence, she is a pronoun that takes the place of the noun Jia. Yes, I used she in the place of Jia. Here she is pronoun. Now come to the types of pronouns. According to our syllabus, there are 6 kinds of pronouns are given in our workbook. The first is personal pronouns. What is a personal pronoun? See the definition. A personal pronoun refers to the one speaking, the one spoken to, or the one spoken about. See the example. Kiran ate pizza. She was hungry. The word she is a personal pronoun that refers to Kiran. She is here personal pronoun. Again see the definition. A personal pronoun refers to the one speaking. The one speaking means the speaker. It means first person. The one spoken to. The one spoken to, it means the listener, second person, or the one spoken about. It will be clear to you when you will see the table. See the table. Yes, these are the personal pronouns. I, me, mine, we, us, ours. We include in first person. You, yours, yours. We include in second person. You can be singular as well as the plural. In the third person we include he, him, she, her, hers, it, its, they, them, theirs. These all the pronouns we include in third person. Personal pronouns we can use as a subject as well as an object. See here, the subject pronoun is who or what the sentence is about. We played soccer. We is a pronoun and it tells who the sentence is about. We have used here at the place of subject. They are the doer of the action. Personal pronouns that we use as a subject are I, you, he, she, it, we, you and they. Personal pronouns that we use at the place of an object also that are the object pronoun is a someone or something that receives the action of the subject. She kicked it. It is a pronoun and it is receiving the action. It is being kicked. Yes, in this sentence she is subject and it is object. Personal pronouns that we use at the place of object are me, you, him, her, it, us, you and them. The second kind is possessive pronouns. A possessive pronoun is used to talk about things belonging to the people. See the example. This book is mine. Mine is here possessive pronoun. It is showing the belongingness of the book, that the book belongs to me. These are the examples of possessive pronouns. We use mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, yours and theirs at the place of possessive pronouns. The third is reflexive pronouns. A reflexive pronoun is a pronoun that refers to the subject and is necessary to the meaning of the sentence. It ends in self or selves. If it is singular, it will end in self, or if it is plural, it will end in selves. See the example. Bob enjoyed himself at the gym. Himself is here reflexive pronoun. It is necessary for the sentence to make sense. These are the examples of reflexive pronouns. Myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. The next is demonstrative pronouns. A demonstrative pronoun is a pronoun that replaces and points out a person, place, thing, or an idea. See the example. These are sour. The word these is a demonstrative pronoun. It replaces the word lemons. Examples of demonstrative pronouns are this, that, these, and those. Next is interrogative pronouns. An interrogative pronoun introduces a question. Yes, it asks a question. Who, whom, whose, what, and which are interrogative pronouns. Who is your best friend? The word who is an interrogative pronoun, as it can be replaced by a noun. You can write any name here. Examples of interrogative pronouns are who, what, which, whose, and whom. And the next is relative pronouns. A relative pronoun is a pronoun that refers to the earlier noun. It will be clear to you when you will see the example. The example is Bob, whose book you had borrowed, has come to take it. Here in this sentence, whose is a relative pronoun. It is used to refer to the earlier noun Bob. Examples of relative pronouns are who, which, whose, whom, and that. Hope you have understood. Thank you.